Hello SY students. Today we will consider the DSO's practical. So signal generator that I have taken of some sine tech. So it is indicating the sine wave, that is what the thing, and 307 or 8 hertz is the frequency. So here you are getting the frequency range, that button. Here you are getting the function, so sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, pulse waveform. Here you are getting that as attenuation, and here you are getting that mean. So here is the duty cycle. So duty cycle you can make it as 0. Frequency variation, amplitude variation, and the output here that is taken. So output with 50 ohm is the impedance, output impedance of that as a signal generator. So signal generator I have connected to the DSO using the probe, this thing. So now sine wave that I have given, so here it is sine wave that is coming. If you are not getting that waveform or the random variation, then you can go for that auto button, auto set, that's one. So you can press that auto set button. So here you are getting that as a sine wave. Okay, then you can go for the measurement. So go for the measure button, upper one. So measure button, press that one. So channel 1 frequency, that is what it is indicated. So it is something like 307 hertz, point something. Okay, so you can change the parameter. So for the channel 1, suppose, so instead of frequency you can consider period, time period. So time period will be indicated. Then you can consider the mean, that means DC voltage. You can consider the peak to peak voltage, that one, and like that you can go for the further measurement. So that means RMS, maximum, minimum, all these one. Okay, so you can consider peak to peak, you can consider cycle RMS, so value that is indicated below that one. Then you can consider minimum, so it is minus 1.82 because that is a negative peak. Maximum, positive peak. Now it is a symmetric waveform, so you are getting the same, nearly same amplitudes or the values. Then rise time, then fall time, then positive width for the square wave or like that, then negative width, like that. Okay, then you can go for the frequency, or you can go for the period, you can go for the peak to peak. Now I will change here the amplitude button, amplitude of the signal that is given. So see here, so I am changing the amplitude. So amplitude I am decreasing, so here it will be decreased. So automatically value that is also decreased, so it is coming as 1.4 volt. Here it is increase, I am increasing, so you are getting the amplitude will be increased as a 3 point or 2.3830, whatever, 3 volt. Okay, that one. So that will be the peak to peak. Now I will change the function. So instead of sine wave, I am giving that as a square wave. So you are getting square wave here. Okay, now with the square wave, you are not getting the square wave accurately. Okay, accurately in the sense display. So that is why go for the auto set button. Then you will get that correct square wave that will be displayed there. Okay, so that is the function of auto set. Okay, then you can change the function. So triangular wave, then you can go for the sawtooth wave, then you can go for the pulse. Now with the pulse, you are getting that as a positive width. Okay, that is less than the negative width. Okay, that one. So you can change the duty cycle. I am changing now the duty cycle, so you will get that variation. Okay, so see here, so positive width that is increasing, or on time period is increasing, off time period that is decreasing, like that. Okay, I am changing the duty cycle, so that is the use of duty cycle. Okay, like that. So duty cycle that will be considered there. So you can go for again measure button, you can go for Let us check whether the duty cycle that will be displayed there or not. दिसते का बघा, नाही दिसत. Positive width दिसते, negative width दिसते. So from the positive width and negative width you can calculate the duty cycle. Okay, so मी ड्यूटी सायकल ऑन टाईम पिरियड कमी करतो, ऑफ टाईम पिरियड जास्त करतो. सो आता निगेटिव्ह विड्थ किती आली बघा. सो इट इज 2.288 मिलीसेकंद आणि विड्थ पॉझिटिव्ह विड्थ थांबा परत एकदा घेऊ. हां, पॉझिटिव्ह विड्थ. सो दिस विल बी 984.1 मायक्रोसेकंद आणि निगेटिव्ह विड्थ 2.288 millisecond. So you can calculate the duty cycle there. On time period divided by on time period plus off time period. Okay, so that is the first practical.